Hey guys, Jerica here with JDS. We are at the GPX Long Beach show and RapsCon, and I'm here with Peter from IKONICS Imaging.
How you doing? Peter Norman with IKONICS Imaging. Today we're going to use our CrystalBlast Elite 3.0 and show how easy it is to do decorative carving, multiple stage carving on glass.
So what do we do first?
So when you work with glass products, a lot of times there's a liquid or powder on it, so it's good to clean with a glass cleaner.
Okay.
For any type of mask. You can use a laser mask, specifically our Blazer Orange, or our dry process rapid mask. Today we're going to use our R3 washout film.
Nice.
This material is very durable, so when we're blasting, I'm going to show you how you can get depth, and then we're going to peel layers to get some multi-level carving. And we are using ammonia-free foam glass cleaner. All right, so we pre-made these stencils back in the office. Basically, you expose to your artwork, develop with water, dry, and then you have your stencil. We would do multiple at a time, so you're not doing one stencil at a time. And the material, once dry, to protect the adhesive, we put it on a silicone release paper, and the adhesive will stay tacky for up to a year.
And that was pretty easy to peel off.
Yes, yeah, it's silicone treated. So I'm going to figure out where we're going to put it. Let's put the glass down, and it's a light tack, pressure sensitive adhesive. The more pressure you apply, the better it sticks. Once you have that down, all of our material has a carrier sheet. You just do a quick flick and then peel off.
Nice.
One of the tools most shops use will be a wire wheel. After you remove the carrier sheet, you use your wire wheel. It takes out any air bubbles that may be in there.
And it doesn't affect the actual stencil?
Doesn't affect the stencil.
Okay.
Just removes the bubbles in the open areas that we're going to sand carve. So as you can see, there's open areas here and around the glass. All you have to do is use a little masking tape to cover that up. So we're doing the bottom of the glass. A lot of customers will do the sides of the glass, so for fun, we're gonna do the bottom. I'm gonna stage carve that, and then I'm gonna do a single etch on the sides. IKONICS Imaging Squeegee, which can be purchased from JDS. Flick the carrier sheet. Use your wire wheel. And we'll do one more on the side. Now, just like when we taped the bottom, we need to tape the edges just so we don't get overblast when we're sandblasting. Okay.
All right, let's go.
All right, so to turn the sand carving machine on, let's turn that on. So you can see we have LED lights in there, so it's very bright. This is our CrystalBlast 3.0. In this cabinet, there is 1 air change per second. This cabinet does not need to be vented outside. This will be the cleanest sandblaster that you will use. To activate the abrasive, you step on the foot pedal, and the media starts coming out. As you can see, each pass we go across gets deeper. Now, the beauty of sand carving is the depth that can be achieved. You can use a CO2 laser to carve glass, but it's only going to be a surface etch, and you won't get the beautiful deep etch that you can get for sand carving. We'll get asked, when you sandblast something, if you put it in the dishwasher, will that sandblast go away eventually? It'll never go away because we are removing the glass as we go across the piece.
Well, and lasering can leave shards of glass, correct?
True. Yeah, when you laser glass, you will get shards, which need to be cleaned up. With sandblasting, there's no shards. You just get the beautiful edge. Okay, so all three are done, but now I'm going to show you how to do a two-stage carve. Have you ever seen that, Jerica?
I have seen that, but it was years ago. So yeah, let's walk us through it.
So what we're going to do, this piece we could actually do a three-stage carve, because I'm going to peel the top first. No, I'll peel the bottom first, and we're going to etch it, and then we're going to do a light, delicate carve on the top. You can see how easy R3 peels. I'm just taking the inside areas of the butterfly off. So I'll go in and etch it lightly, and then I'm going to peel the top layer off, hold it back further, and do a very delicate etch at the top. So it's as simple as that.
Yep.
And now, you remove the top. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Just gonna give it a dusting. So you hold it back really far. Barely hits it. And then you can use your blow off gun. Okay. We'll peel this off. So R3 is water soluble, so you don't have to peel it off like I'm doing. I'm just doing that to show you. If customers are doing many pieces, thousands of pieces of glass, they can sandblast them all, go set them in water, and the water will remove the mass for them in a matter of minutes. So the glass is clean. If you're soaking in water, the water would clean it for you, so you wouldn't necessarily need to do this. Okay, so in this drive, so this is a single etch. The butterflies on the outer area of the glass. So you can see that. And now, the butterfly on the bottom is a three-stage carve.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Thank you. Wow is something we hear a lot. When we do three-stage carving. It's the favorite word in our booth.
Wow.
We call it the wow effect. So there you go.
That's awesome. Thank you, Peter.
That's how easy it is to use the R series film, particularly R3, when doing sandblasting on glass.